Friends, welcome in this session, and today we are going to talk about what?
Abstract keyword, man.
Abstract keyword. Abstract keyword. Okay. Hey, what is a keyword? I forget it. Who will explain to me what is a keyword?
Keywords are reserved word for Java, man. They have some specific purpose.
Oh, keywords are reserved words which meaning is defined for the compiler in the language. Wow. So abstract keyword has how many use? Two use. You can use with method and you can use
Class.
with class and method. What about variable? No, 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 no. You cannot make your variable abstract. Does not make sense, right? So let's talk about abstract class. What is abstract class? Abstract class means incomplete, right? So let me show you if I can make an abstract class, how? See, if you make a class, right? Class, can you come with me? Class name is vehicle, right? And this vehicle class it is up to you, man. It's not mandatory, right? Integer tires. Are you with me?
Mhm.
Yeah, tires. So this vehicle has 10 tires and one method. What? Public void sound or horn. It's fine. This code is okay or not?
Yeah.
Yeah. My question is this code will compile or not? Of course, this code will compile, right? Here you can write system dot out dot println. Mhm. Hello, vehicle. Right. I hope this program is pretty simple to understand. Or any confusion if anybody has? Hmm?
No, no.
Nothing. In this program, we have nothing. It's too simple to understand for anybody. So, can we make the object of vehicle? Of course, you can make it, right? Using new
Mhm.
operator. Clear? But if you make the vehicle abstract, oh, Mr. What I did, I'm just using abstract keyword and just writing before
Class.
class. So once you use abstract keyword before a class, this class is called
Abstract class.
abstract class. Oh my God. So can we make any class abstract? Answer it. Yes. You
Yes.
can make any class abstract. Let me write this question for you. Can we make any class abstract? Choice is in your hand, right? My question to you is, can I kill you? Answer is, choice is in my hand. Yes or no? You may not. Yes or no? Can you
Mhm.
make class, any class abstract? Yes, right? So once you make this class abstract, what is the limitation? People, what I said. Once you make a class abstract, what limitation? Once you make your class abstract, nobody can make the object of it directly using new keyword. Oh my God. What I said? What I said? Once you make the class abstract means nobody can make the object of it using new operator. You cannot do new vehicle. No, 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 no. You cannot make the object of it using which keyword?
New.
New.
New operator. Yeah, what you were. I don't know how
Like
many to understand this. This is not possible. Once your class is abstract, you cannot make the object of it, but you can make the reference of it. This is okay, right? Hmm. This is okay. Why? This is a reference, and this we cannot do it. We cannot instantiate. Any guess?
you're gonna use an
I'll kill
abstract
you.
class.
Abstract class.
Like
So below line is not correct. I don't know you got it or not. This is not possible, man. You cannot make the object of what?
abstract class.
Abstract class, right? Everything is possible. Abstract class, you can inherit it. You can write the construct. Everything you can do it. Only what? Only we cannot make the object of it. Please remember it. Only We cannot make object of abs- I don't know. You got it or you got confused? Only we cannot make object of abstract class. Can we write the constructor inside the abstract class?
What was the question again?
I said, can you write the constructor inside abstract class?
No, because you can't instantiate it, right?
Follow my rule. What I wrote over here? Only we cannot make object of the abstract class. Man, why you are confused with the other places?
Mm.
See, the way I'm teaching you, right? You just follow my technique. What I said? Can you come with me? I said you cannot make the object of it, right? That's it. Can you write the constructor inside it?
Yeah, sure then.
Yes. 99% people are confused in that. They are thinking if you cannot make the object of it, what is the use of the constructor? I will teach you, okay? But what my formula says, only we cannot make object of it. Can we extend it?
Yeah, sure.
Right. Can you make a reference of it? Sure. Can you do that? Yes. Only we cannot make the object of it. Anybody have any question queries so far?
Yeah, so are we not making an object when we do that vehicle V?
No. Vehicle V is just creating a reference of it. Object you create when you use new operator.
So it's not
Right?
referring to any object now, the vehicle
Yeah.
V.
Vehicle V means you have just a reference which is not means you have remote without television.
Okay, okay, okay.
You know remote? Yeah.
Yeah.
So V is just a remote without vehicle, right? No, we don't have physical object of it. You have just remote of it, right? V is a reference of what type, man?
Object
V is
reference
a reference means reference variable of vehicle type,
vehicle. Oh,
right? When you have a remote, you always mention, hey, this remote is of television, or this remote is of fridge, or this remote is of your car, right? It could be anything, right? Every
yes.
reference variable has a type. Hmm? Yeah. So abstract class definition is the class which you cannot instantiate. That is called abstract class. It is also called incomplete class. I hope you got this much.
Yeah.
Anybody in the class have any question query? See, I think you guys are very talented. Okay, that's why you don't have any question query. I'm just putting you people in that category. Okay, and I'm telling you, no need to show mercy on me. Just be very cruel. Okay, ask questions. Second thing which I'm going to teach you is abstract method. People come with me. Abstract method.
Nothing.
So every method has two things. If you remember from the study class,
Mm.
a method contains two things. What? Signature and definition, right?
Mm-hmm.
Method equals to signature plus
Definition.
definition. You know definition, right? Already I
Mm-hmm.
told you definition means curly bracket open and close. Let me write a method and I will tell you which is the definition and which is signature.
Signature.
Method name is APA and this is the input of the method, right? This
Mm-hmm.
method is taking only one input and producing only one output. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so here I can say system dot out dot println we, right? Mhm. So
Mm-hmm.
you need to know which part is known as signature and which part is known as definition. As per my yesterday conversation, this right method name and parameter is a part of,
Signature.
Signature.
you know it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Name plus parameter is a part of method signature, right? Yeah. Definition, curly bracket close and whatever comes between curly bracket open and close, right? Curly bracket open and close, right? This part is known as
Definition.
Definition.
Definition of the method.
Definition of
Curly
the
bracket open, close, contains definition of the method. Yes, yes, yes. Hmm? What happened? Like, try to follow my technique. Otherwise, you'll be very, 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 very lethargic. Okay. So just come with me, right? If you'd be very energetic, you learn more. Done. So, what is the abstract method? A method without definition is called abstract method. Remember it. What? Method
method without definition is called an abstract
without
method.
definition is called abstract method. Oh, nice. What is abstract method? A method
The
without
object in action.
definition is called abstract method. Let me write it, okay? So people, just be careful. I'm going to say something. You have to be very, very careful. Method without definition is called abstract method. See, can we make any class abstract?
Yes.
It is up to us, right? So I'm
Mhm.
just writing class, and class name is Paula, right? Class name is Paula. And in this class, I'm writing one method, public void. My method name is pa, right? And see, here after pa, I'm just passing only one parameter, integer, a string, message, right? Hello. And it
Mhm.
is returning me a number of character of it. See, public is optional, right? Return type, method name, and input parameter, semicolon, right? We don't have
Mhm.
definition, right? So in a class, when you are writing a method, but you are not writing definition of it, class, you have to make abstract. Sorry, method. I'm sorry. When you are writing a method and you are not giving definition, then method must be abstract.
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 So in this, I'm just writing two method, public void pa foo, right? So my first method does not have definition. My second method has definition. So first method does not have definition. That's why I make it. Hello.
So
First
you have
method, why I make this is foo. First method I
abstract.
make abstract because it does not have definition,
Hello. It doesn't
right?
have body.
So please don't talk. And see, in this Paula class, how many abstract method we have?
One.
Only one. So you have to remember a rule. If your class contains at least one abstract method, then class must be abstract. No choice, no choice, no choice. What I said? Please complete the sentence.
If
What I
at
said?
least one of the method is abstract, then the whole class is
Yeah,
abstract.
in a class, you don't have choice, right? In a class, if it contains what, man?
At least
Abstract method.
one abstract method.
It contains at least one abstract, then class must be abstract. It does not have any choice, man. But opposite, abstract. What opposite is? Any class can be abstract, right? To make any class abstract, it not necessarily to have abstract method. No, 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 no. That's not necessarily, right? But if a class contains at least one abstract method, then class must be abstract class. Got it? Here, you have to use abstract keyword. Yes, you know. So, this class has a choice? No. I would say you have to die because you eat poison. Thirdly, if your class contains one at least one abstract method, class must be abstract, right? Paula has choice? No. It has to be abstract. It has to be incomplete because it contains one abstract method. This concept is clear to everybody?
Yeah.
But opposite, if you want to make any class abstract, it's not necessarily to have one abstract method. No, 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 no. Even though method is not abstract, can I make any class abstract? Be angry today, okay? My class is India. Can I make it abstract? Of course, man. Choice is in my hand, right? it has any abstract method or not. I can make abstract. Choice is in my hand. But if your class contains at least one abstract method, it has to be abstract. It must be abstract. This concept is clear or not? Eh, my sentence is to be an abstract class. It may have abstract method, may not. Doesn't matter, right? But if your class contains one abstract method, class must be abstract. Please remember it. Anybody having doubt?
Nope.
Hello.
No, no.
Now
So
I'm going to
basically,
show.
you mean abstract class does not need to have an abstract method, right?
Yeah, you can make any class abstract, but if your class contains one abstract method, it does not have any choice. It
Okay.
must be abstract. Remember it. Okay. You see, in India, we don't have any abstract method, but it is abstract. I can do that. Again, I'm telling you, India does not have any abstract method, but it could be abstract. It is up to you. Okay. But if your class like Paula has one abstract method, it must be abstract. Remember it. Anybody have any question queries so far? Like here, my biggest worries is in this we have a lot of people, but everybody is silent and taking tea or coffee. I don't know. Because after some time, if I'll take taste and I'll talk to you and you would say, I don't know, very bad. I'll expel you. Fine. So it is good time to ask questions if you have any confusion. And you can say, sir, what is this? What is that? Okay. If it is clear, let's move to. I'm going to show you the example of it. Your question may be in which situation we should design the abstract class, right? That's question. I'll tell you. Okay. You're asking, I'm teaching you how to eat pizza. Your question is, why I should eat pizza? I'll tell you, right? So sometime when you are designing a class object, right? Sometime functionality is not clear. Let me tell you, I'm running a company, right? And I'm designing the mobile phone. What? Tell me, you guys are really sleeping. I'm designing mobile phone as a company, but when I'm designing it, right, my company has to design many functionality of it. One is public, void, call. So that is, but my company does not know how to make a call for mobile, right? This functionality I cannot do it. I can do only one functionality. Okay, I'm making it simple. Only my company can design the ringtone. You got a point?
Okay.
So I have to make an incomplete class because my company is not able to make the call. No, this functionality my company cannot design it. So I'm just making an incomplete model, right? Tring tring. Hmm? Hello. Hey,
But
why I make one?
and Nagan, the question is, but someday we'll use that method, right? So in that case, we'll make
No,
that
that's
method,
fine.
right?
I'll tell you. This is incomplete, right? Nobody can
Uh-huh.
make the object of it. There is no question of using it, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
This is incomplete. I am a company. I'm running a company. I have to design the mobile, and mobile should have two method: call and ringtone. I know how to make a ringtone, but I don't know how to make call. I make it abstract. If my method is abstract, class must be abstract, right? So this incomplete model I'll hand over to some other company, right?
Hmm.
So what this from this I'm going to make two mobile phone. Have you heard about iPhone?
Sure.
iPhone 12 extends. E what? Mobile.
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 So once you extend mobile, right, it is inheriting one incomplete class, right? So you have two options. Either you can make your iPhone abstract, or you can override the method incomplete class. Override the incomplete method and make it complete. Are you following me? Can you
Yeah.
see this? So original company is not able to make the call, right? But I'm just adding the incomplete method and making my class
Abstract.
complete. Now my class is not supposed to be abstract. Why, man? Because mobile I'm inheriting and this abstract method is inherited and my mobile iPhone 12 also become abstract. Now I just completed the method, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So my job is
Definitely.
done. So when you inherit some abstract class, you must override the abstract method to make it complete. Got it?
Oh, okay.
So I just want to launch two version of the mobile iPhone 13, right? Hello, 13. So you see what happened? This is the incomplete model, right? So I'm using the functionality, right? In this functionality is not complete. So every specific class, right? They are going to give their own definition of it. Yes or no? See, iPhone 12 is giving its own definition. Say yes. And iPhone 13 is giving its own definitions. So what is the benefit of abstract class? Abstract class is incomplete class through which you can reuse some code, but independently you cannot use it, right? E, what is limitation of abstract class? Independently you cannot use it, but only you can use it by making subclasses,
Inheritance.
subclass of it. Let me write it. Abstract class, can I write it? Abstract class we cannot use independently. Say yes. What I
Yes.
said. Abstract class we cannot use.
Independently.
Give me some. Abstract class we cannot use independently, but we can use after making it. Give me a second. What I said, my man? I said abstract class abstract class we cannot use independently, but we can use
After
it
making, after making
Subclass.
after
subclasses.
making sub class of it and adding the definition of abstract method. Make sense? E abstract class we cannot use independently, but we can use it after making subclass of it and adding the definition of the abstract method. Say yes.
Yes.
Done. My job is done. If you want to use this functionality, you have to write the main method. Allow me. Class iPhone main. I don't know you guys know this much or not. You have to be smart, right? Here, what I have to use public static void main, and you can write what string. Hello, people. Can I make object of mobile? No, 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 no. But you can make an only object of iPhone 12. We're not replying sometime. I12 new iPhone. This program is clear to you people, and here you
Yeah.
can make.
So the inherited classes are also abstract or they are not?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Right. You cannot make the object of the mobile, but you can use all the functionality of it. So which functionality you want to use from the mobile? Only ringtone, right? You can do that. Mhm. But e if you call what method,
Call.
call method, it will come from iPhone. You know it, right? iPhone 12. Got it? Similarly, I can make object of, and again, you guys are not replying.
iPhone 13.
See, similarly, you can make an object of, this is a very nice program, which where I'm showing you the use of 13, I13. Anybody is there who does not understand this program? Anybody is there in the class? E, please come forward if you have that kind of dare to ask questions. I told you many times, don't show me mercy on me. Ask questions. I hope this is pretty much clear to everybody. Abstract method and abstract class. So in this, you have to make four classes: mobile, iPhone 13, iPhone 12, and iPhone main. Done. So I would recommend you guys go and do the practice of it. Fine.
Sir,
Thank you.
I have a question.
Please.
So this iPhone 13 dot ringtone, is this the example of upcasting?
Upcasting, in upcasting,
That
we
ringtone.
always we always use superclass, right?
Hmm.
In this, we are not using any superclass, so no upcasting. You are
But
just
where
using
did the
method from the
ringtone
pattern.
came from?
Ringtone, it is not upcast. Ringtone is coming from the parent, right? So basically, you are using some method from the parent. That's not upcasting. If you use the reference of the parent, then it is upcasting.
Can we do upcasting over here?
Yeah, I can show you. Here, what you can do, you can make a mobile M, right? Superclass, and it can take the reference of iPhone 13, 12, right? This is upcasting. Why?
Oh, okay.
You are making an object of subclass and passing to the reference of. This is also valid, man. And here you can call M dot what? Ringtone. E same concept, right? M dot call. This is
Oh,
also correct. So as per my rule, what says left side, you will see whether this method is available or not. Ringtone we have.
yeah.
Definition will come from the right side, right? M
Mhm.
dot call. Hey mobile, you have call method. Yeah.
No.
But definition, call method we have declaration, right?
Yeah.
But definition will come from the iPhone 12. This one. Oh man, when you want to call the method, left side you will see only method declaration, right? Method is there or not. Not interested in definition. Am I right?
Yeah.
That's
So
it.
the if we call dot call, then is it coming from iPhone 12 or is it coming from
I
iPhone
told you
13?
already. Definition will always come from iPhone 12. Go to the iPhone
Oh,
12. Hey, do you have call? I iPhone 12 is saying, yeah, I have call. I have call method. iPhone 12. Done.
okay.
So
If you
if
say M dot ringtone, hey, definition will come from the iPhone 12. Go to the iPhone 12 and ask for the ringtone. Hey, iPhone 12, do you have ringtone? It's saying, no, talk to my parent, talk to my papa mobile. Okay. When you go to the mobile, it's saying, yeah, I have ringtone. Call me. That's it. This is the way how a method invocation occurs. Mhm. I hope this is done to everybody. Yeah.
so if you do downcasting and call like m dot call method, then it's gonna
Doesn't
come
matter.
void, right?
In this case,
Down.
always same method will come, right? Oh man, go and downcast it. What is the problem? Go and do it, okay? In this, somebody is not replying. Hello? What's confusion, sir? Hello? Like here, there are some irritating people are there. When you're asking question, why you're not replying? Who has asked the question?
Hello. I think I
Yeah.
asked the question.
So man, if you ask the question,
Yeah.
if you
Sorry.
do not
Sorry for that.
agree with my answer, say Nagin, I don't understand. Nagin, I understand. Nagin, could you please explain me again? Hmm.
So
What's your name?
I'm Nima.
Nima. Tell me what's your confusion?
So here we like we had definition on the right side, right?
Yeah.
Like like what if like so we're calling definition from iPhone 12. So what if we're calling definition from mobile? So will it come void or is it
So
still
I
gonna be
told you already. Yeah, you should know the rule of it, man. Definition always come from the right side. Mug it.
yeah
What
yeah?
is it?
So like
Definition. Let me
this
write
is
it.
upcasting, right?
Always. Yeah.
So I'm
Definition
saying
always come
right
from
side.
right side. Mug it. And after that, ask the questions. Yeah. Tell me where confusion is.
No, I'm just wondering if we downcast.
You can downcast it. Okay, if you want to downcast it, what you need to do? M. But definition will always come from the right side. Mug it. Even though you downcast it. So here I'm going to downcast it in iPhone. I can do that. iPhone, right? E iPhone.
Um,
So here, even though you are typecasting in iPhone, but follow my formula. What my formula says? E, let's go ahead. This is downcasting, right?
yeah, I
Here,
got it.
here,
Thank you.
here you will not get any benefit of it. That is, but follow my formula.
All right.
If you call ringtone, just follow my formula. And here you output is same. That is different story. Here, come with me. If you call ringtone, you will see in the left side. Hey, left side, ring phone 12. Do you have a ringtone? Go and ask. Hey, ring phone. Do you have ringtone? It's saying no. My papa has, right? Yeah. But
Yeah.
definition will come from the right side always. Similarly for the call. Do you have call? Yeah, I have call. Definition will come from the right side. Mug it. Left side only will decide whether method declaration is there or not. Right? Method is present or not.
Mm,
That's it. But definition will come from
right side.
Right side. Mug it, mug it, mug it, mug it. You'll be able to answer all the questions, right? Next topic and last topic I'm going to teach you today is again that is interface. What? Interface. So guys, interface, you just remember it for today. Tomorrow I'll continue on it. Okay. Interface only contains method declaration. Mug it. What is it? First of all, I will teach you the rule. Okay. Interface contains only method declaration. Interface contains only method declarations, right? No definitions at all. Method contains only interface contains only method declarations. In Java 8 rule is change, okay? But you just remember the way I'm teaching you. Interface contains only method declaration, no definition at all. Why we do it, I'll teach you in next session, right? But today we should understand the rule of it. No definition at all. Clear? So if you want to make a method, interface we design, suppose you want to design some dog, right? Or let's say something else. You want to design what? You want to design mobile phone. Hmm? So here you can make a interface. Interface means only you can have no instead of class you can use interface. Nima. Interface name is mobile. In this, what you can do? Nima, come with me. Here I am going to define the method, right? Public. Public is mandatory in case of interface. Nima, are you there? Here, sometime what I feel in the session is you guys may be coming in the session, then mute and then roaming here and there. Is it correct?
Are we here?
No, it's not.
In my session, remember it. If I found somebody like this, it means you are not in discipline. Okay, no need to attend the session. Remember it, because we are putting a lot of effort. Okay. So my question is why he's not replying? Okay, we'll talk with him tomorrow. Okay. Let me talk to somebody else. Anuj, who is Anuj?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Anuj, you tell me. I said right. Interface is similar to class. In interface, we can only declare the method, right? So my mobile, what operation can have? My mobile can do ringtone,
Like
right?
call, ringtone, whatever. Yeah.
Yeah, ringtone. Let's do that. And it can have what? SMS, right?
Mm-hmm.
Call. Let's make it simple. So in the interface, whatever operation you want your object should support, you can declare it. So
Mm-hmm.
my mobile should ringtone, it should have SMS, and you should have calling facility, right? Or you can
Yes.
have setting, right? Another functionality. 4 is enough. Am I right? Yeah.
Yes.
So you see what is the special in this interface? In interface, all the methods are abstract. So here, because you cannot give the definition. So here, can I write
Yes.
abstract keyword? It is optional. You write or not, doesn't matter. So in
Yes.
case of
It's
interface,
incomplete, right? Yeah.
right, it is incomplete. That's why abstract and public is there, even though you are not writing it. Are you following
Yes.
me? Public
Mm-hmm.
is here, abstract is there. Please, this is understood. And you can write in any order. Got it?
Yeah, got
So
it. Yeah.
interface only contains method
Method.
declaration. And all the methods are by default public and let me write it. I'm just writing certain point. This concept is a little bit tricky and complex. Interface only contains any guess?
Method
Declaration of method.
declaration. Yeah.
Yeah, method declaration, right? No definition. Method interface only contains method declaration, right? First point. Second is by default all the methods are
Abstract.
by
Public.
default all the methods are abstract and public. You write or not doesn't matter, right? And third point, we cannot make object of it. Does not make sense, right? We can't make an object of it,
So
right?
basically, it's another way to achieve abstraction.
Exactly.
Okay.
No constructor at all. In that, you cannot write the constructor because it is not a class. Class only can have constructor. Okay.
Got it.
No
Yep.
constructor. Sorry. Right. No constructor. You can declare the variable into it, right? But that is public and final. All the variables, right? Which you declare, all the variables are public, static, and final. Are you following me?
Yes.
Interface only contains method declaration, right? That's it. So, so when you make the interface, be careful. The question is why we make the interface. If you make the interface, you are expecting this much functionality from the object. Are you following me?
Yes.
So any object which is following interface, you can think as a rule. If any object you design as per this interface, that object must have this much behavior. What is it? If you design any object as per this interface, that object will must have these behaviors.
His behaviors.
Got
Yeah.
it? Yep. So this is kind of rule contract. Okay, you can give this interface to someone. Hey, can you design mobile for me? So when he will make the mobile, those mobile must have ringtone, SMS, call, and setting. Got
Okay.
it?
Yes.
So this concept you cannot understand in a day. It will take little time. So I'm not in a hurry. Okay, I'll teach you all this thing tomorrow in much detail. Okay,
So
but let me show you some example of it.
basically, so basically, when you like maybe in real life when you give a task, or to someone like, so these are the functionality for the
Very
whatever
nice.
object that you
If you
use. Yeah.
want, some company should design some object for you. You can design the interface and give to him.
You got it. Okay.
So basically, when you want to construct your home or house, you want to give him the layout, right? You
Hmm.
tell me I'm contractor, and you say, hey Nagin, I came to know you are a contractor. You can design my home. You can design my house, right? So
Yes.
I would say, sir, tell me what kind of house you want. What will the layout of it,
Hmm.
right? So that layout is the interface. You will give me that layout, and I have to make your house as per the layout, right? And how you will check it? By seeing this layout, right?
Yes.
You say, hey,
Got it.
again,
Yep.
I
Yeah, that
ask you
makes
to make
sense.
ringtone, I ask you to design the SMS, I ask you to design the calling functionality, I ask you to design the setting functionality, where it is, right?
Yes.
So let me give you one example of it, right? So very simple example I'm making, right? I'm just making interface, right? And interface name I'm giving like robot, right? Robot.
Hmm.
And in this, I want my robots to do only two things. What? Public, abstract, right? You would say no need to write it. It is understood. Am I right? Yep.
Yes, that's optional. Yeah.
Yeah. Wide, walk. My robot can walk and my robot can dance. Are you following me? Yep.
Yes.
And I have to design my robot as per this interface. So if you have to design it, means you have to make a class of it. So how you can make it? You can make a class. Hello, mini robot.
Yeah. Me robot. Yeah.
And if you want to use some interface in your class, you have to implement it. Remember it. Class you can extend, but interface you can
To implement.
implement. That's differences. So you want to implement robot. So the moment when you implement any interface, your class will cry. Class it would say I'm inheriting abstract method. Make me abstract. Or you just complete the method to make me complete. Okay. So here you
Okay.
can write public void walk. Why? Because the moment when you implement some interface, you have to provide all its method declaration. Thumb rule. What I said? When you implement some interface, what you need to do? You have to give all the implementation of the method which you are inheriting from it, right? So
Okay.
which
Hmm.
method? Walk. System dot out dot println. Mhm. What? Robot can
Walk.
walk. E, all the method declaration which is there, you have to complete the definition of it. Make sense?
Yes.
Walk. Similarly, you can give the definition of. Please help me. Definition of dance. Robot can dance. Hey, are you following me? So whatever method we have in the contract, you have to give the definition of it. I hope you got the benefit of it.
Yes.
Somebody has given me the rule. Hey, can you design a robot as per this contract? Yeah, I'm doing that. Now, how to use it? So we have two. One is interface. You can save it with the interface name dot Java. Hmm? And second file name is mini
Robot.
robot dot Java.
Yeah.
Now you can make a main method. Help me. Main method class robot main.
And create a new
And
object.
that boring method you can write. What boring method is? Same.
Method.
Static void main. And here you see the way I'm writing the code. Okay, this is one of the practice example which you can do. Main. Hmm? Yeah, we can write main over here also, right? You should know.
Yes.
And here you can make the interface reference of the interface. Can you see this? RR. And right side you can pass the implementation mini robot. Yeah, important. If you want, you can write here mini robot as well. No problem. Both the side. Yeah. Or you can write all the best practice is we should use interface left side method declaration, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now you follow my rule. Left side method declaration, right side definition. So you can call walk, yeah, and you can call
Dance.
dance. See, left side we don't have definition at all, right? Left side you will check, hey robot, do you have walk? Yep. Do you have dance? Yes. Definition will come from the right side. My formula. Okay. Okay. So this is one of the good example of interface as well. Interface will continue tomorrow as well. So guys, really you have learned so many things in a small span of time. Now it's your job, go and do practice of it. Fine. And another thing which I'm expecting from you in the session is, let me stop the recording first. I'm just stopping my recording till here. In next session we'll continue the same. Thank